Alma of the Airwaves, lucky of the lunch. It is 23rd of January. We are reporting from Hawaii. So much sunshine today, it's unbelievable. Actually, I read somewhere that Toronto has a lot of sun-shining days. In the year, they calculate, so we get a lot of sunshine. Today is beautiful. So, project of the day is this owl. Dreamer. Yes, I started it, I'll finish it. And it is a dreamer. Somebody asked me on Facebook, gender, okay, unisex, dreamer. That's my project of the day. The video is beautiful because it was short. It's minus 15, I think. That's why I added my recipe of the day. You're in for a treat. I will show you how to make köpülü. Köpülü is a Turkish word for an eggplant dip. So you need eggplants, you roast them, and then you can do whatever you want. You can add an avocado, but you definitely need garlic. You definitely need fresh dill. And when you look at my video, please notice the mug. I'm keeping my dill. It is a mug made by my girlfriend Maria with 3 paintings of George Yanev, one of my good friends, an artist. So she made a mug with 3 of his paintings for his 60th birthday. I think this was very, very cute. So that's our program for today. It is 23rd. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Enjoy your life. Yes, Esther Hicks. Have you heard of Abraham Hicks? Okay, law of attraction. Long story with her participation in The Secret and what happened in 2007. But now she talks about the vortex. This is where our energy, our creative energy goes to. So whatever we focus on, there goes our energy. What we send out to the universe, we get back. Double. This is important. I sent out love, I get it double. I sent out fear, double. She says, all you need to do is to accept the present moment. Everybody says that. Michael Singer, surrender, accept it, and line up to it. We need to stay at home. The universe wants us to stay home, okay? So we line up. We don't resist. By not resisting, we release so much energy, so much potential, really. So much energy gets wasted in resistance. We achieve nothing anyway, but we have used and wasted all our energy. And then to top it all, it's not only important to accept, we need to bless it. We need to bless what's happening because the blessing is in it. And then, only then, we know what to do next. Makes perfect sense. This is what Eckhart Tolle says. View the present moment as if you have invited it, as if it's exactly what you want to happen. This is when they said, when, I don't know, the other quote was, live as if your life has been rigged to the best of your benefit. So, acceptance, blessing. You choose what to send out. Me and Lucky, we made up our minds. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Totally approved by Miss Piggy. 2 big eggplants for eggplant dip. Okay. In the kitchen is your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to make the famous dip called köpülü. It's a Turkish word, but it's actually an eggplant dip. And let's go by the essentials. You saw the 2 big eggplants, right? Which I roasted. Now they're peeled and I have to really let them get their water out. Here is Miss Piggy, the CEO, who is borrowing my head pieces. Here is avocado. We need garlic. We need olive oil stored in a Nescafe jar. And we need fresh dill. What's most important about this dill is in the mug it's put in. This is a mug with the art of my friend George Yanev. Okay, here it is. And look, 3 of his paintings were made on these mugs from his girlfriend, Maria, who you know from my show, for his 60th birthday. Okay, wait for the production.